iPhone storage not loading issue could be caused by many reasons. For example, the internet is weak. There is too much data to be loaded. The storage is insufficient. The software glitches. And an outdated operating system. After explaining the reasons, we'd like to share some common fixes. 1. Wait a few minutes. If the spinning wheel keeps showing up after around 5 minutes, you could proceed to the next option. 2. Force close settings. To quit settings, you could swipe up from the bottom screen. Locate the settings card to swipe up again if you are using iPhone X and later. For iPhone with a home button, double-click it and select settings card to close as well. Then you can tap the app and reopen it to load the storage information. 3. Restart iPhone. You can tap Settings app and locate General. Then scroll down to click the shutdown. To restart iPhone, you just need to keep pressing the side button until the Apple logo appears. 4. Force restart iPhone. For iPhone 8 or iPhone SE, second generation, and later, press and release volume up button quickly, then press and release volume down button as well. Next, press and hold the side button until the Apple icon shows on the black screen. For iPhone 7, press and hold volume down button, the sleep button, or wake button. When the Apple icon comes out, you can release both of them. For iPhone 6s or iPhone SE, first generation, press and hold sleep or wake button and the home button. Release them when the Apple icon is displayed. 5. Update iOS version. Open Settings app and tap General. Then choose Software Update and iPhone would start checking for updates automatically. Next, click Download and install if there is an update. 6. Plug iPhone into computer. When these two devices are connected, the smartphone would sync with the computer. This process might fix the iPhone storage bug. 7. Reset all settings. Step 1. Tap Settings app on iPhone and navigate to General option. Step 2. Scroll down your screen and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Step 3. Click Reset directly, followed by Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode to verify your operation. If your problem still persists, the iOS system problems would be the potential reason. Joyoshare UltFix is a reliable iOS system recovery tool, which could fix above 150 iOS system issues with ease. What's more, all your data is 100% secure during the repairing process. You could use it to fix various iOS problems at home by yourself. Step 1. Download the Joyoshare iOS system recovery tool, and connect your iPhone with your computer. Then click iOS System Repair. Next, click Start. Step 2. Standard repair is the mostly used one to fix common iOS issues. Deep repair is basically used for serious iOS problems. Here, you could choose Standard repair mode. Step 3. Verify the device information. If all the information is matching, you could click the download button, and the firmware package will be downloaded in several minutes. Step 4. When the firmware package has been downloaded, click on Repair and start to fix the issue. After the repair process, the iPhone storage not giving results issue would be fixed. Thanks for your watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.